If you've been scrolling through Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube lately, chances are you've seen ads talking about a gelatin weight loss recipe that supposedly melts fat in days. Some call it the 6-second gelatin trick, others call it the pink gelatin recipe or bariatric gelatin method. What really catches attention is that many of these ads use the name and image of Dr. Jennifer Ashton, making people believe she supports or promotes this method.
Gelatin recipe, but none of those versions actually deliver. Then I found a video from the Dr. Jennifer Ashton.
Look, people, I look like this all thanks to this easy-at-home gelatin recipe. I call it my $2 homemade Manjaro. It all started when Dr. Ashton called me and asked a very strange question.
Ladies, I'm tired of repeating myself. This is the last time I'm going to show how to make the gelatin plus 3 ingredient recipe I used that melted away my stubborn belly fat. It's simple, effective, and takes less than 23 seconds to make. Yes, it's that easy. It all started when Dr. Ashton called me and asked a very strange question. Do you have gelatin at home?
So the big question is LipoLess legit, or is this another weight loss scam? Let's break it all down. These ads usually follow the same formula. They start with a shocking claim, a hidden recipe that supposedly works better than modern medicine. They suggest big companies are hiding the truth. And they often target women over 35 or 40, mentioning hormones, menopause, belly fat, and slow metabolism. They promise dramatic results without exercise, strict dieting, or lifestyle changes. When ads rely on secrecy, urgency, and emotional storytelling instead of clear science, that's always a reason to pause. Once you click the ad, you're taken to a long video, sometimes 30 minutes to over an hour. You're told the full recipe is coming soon. But it keeps getting delayed. You'll see dramatic success stories, before and after photos, and repeated mentions of doctors and celebrities. But by the end, the recipe is never clearly shared. Instead, you're told the real solution is a supplement, and that's where LipoLess comes in. LipoLess is a dietary supplement sold as a natural weight loss solution. It claims to burn fat, boost metabolism, target stubborn belly fat. The sales page pushes limited-time discounts, bundle deals, and money-back guarantees to create urgency. When a product is positioned as the final answer after a long emotional video, it's important to separate storytelling from real evidence. Red flag number 1, extreme weight loss promises. Claims of fast, dramatic fat loss without effort are unrealistic for most people. Real weight loss depends on many factors. Red flag number 2, proprietary blends. LipoLess does not clearly disclose ingredient dosages, making it impossible to compare with scientific studies. Red flag number 3, confusing regulatory language. Phrases like FDA-registered facility sound official, but they do not mean the product is FDA approved. Red flag number 4, use of authority figures. Well-known doctors and celebrities are often referenced, even when they have no connection to the product. Dr. Jennifer Ashton has publicly addressed this issue. She clearly stated that she has no connection to LipoLess, Burn Peak, or similar weight loss supplements. She also emphasized that she does not endorse over-the-counter weight loss pills and warned people to be skeptical of ads using her name outside her verified platforms.
Loss, scam, fraud alert you definitely need to know about. It has recently come to my attention that there are at least 2 companies, one known as LipoRise, the other one known as Burn Peak, that are fraudulently using my name, image, and likeness using AI-generated ads that are appearing on Facebook to sell weight loss products.
Gelatin itself is just a normal food ingredient, not harmful, but not a miracle weight loss solution either. The real problem is how ordinary ingredients are repackaged into secret tricks and combined with exaggerated promises. Weight loss has no universal shortcut. If something sounds too good to be true, stepping back and doing proper research is always the smartest move. If you've seen these ads or tried LipoLess, please leave a comment and share your experience to help others.